Hi, I'm Rahelia, and I'm an intern assistant at MakerspaceCT. The program took place here at Makerspace in the classroom, and now my current project is working on making a model of that classroom. I started by making a model of the actual classroom with all the walls and the floors, and then I later went into the details by making the computers, towers, keyboards, and all the details you see here. So I make sketches from different views of the objects and take measurements of them, use those measurements and the drafts to create 3D models in NX. This fall, I'll be going to college as a civil engineering major, and being a part of this program and having this experience has reaffirmed the fact that this is something I like to do as a career or even just as a hobby.
Hello, my name is Martinez. I'm working on assembling all these pieces in the digital fab. I went into the shop and I measured from top to bottom. You had to have specific measurements on each different cuts of the chairs, and they had different shapes and sizes of different pieces. In the future, I want to become an engineer, and this is something I want to do and pursue in the future, and I think this helped me a lot.
Hi, my name is Alonzo Williams, and I was a part of the CAD Readiness program here at MakerspaceCT. What I did was I was tasked with going out, modeling some 3D models of actual things that are inside some of the shops that are here. So two of the bigger machines that I worked on were the Haas milling machine and the finger brick. With modeling in NX, I have sketches of what I've sketched for each machine and what other people have sketched in the machine to just get a total, make a sketch, extrude, make cuts, try to get the details down right. With all the things that I've learned here, definitely being able to use CAD again and learning more things about CAD, definitely some things I didn't know before. It was all very helpful, and although not all people are gonna find CAD interesting, I did, and it was nice to be able to come here and explore it more. Although I am going to school for computer science in the fall, I do think CAD and knowing how to do this is a skill I will hold dear for a while.
What is up, you guys? So my name is Rodrigo, and I'm from the CAD Readiness program. This is a tubing launcher that I did. I took in all the shapes, so like I took in inclinability, the shapes, the little shapes, and I put them on here and named them. Put everything, the thickness of it, how long, the width, the height. It is really interesting for me. I really like it. I really enjoy doing it, but I'm also still debating if I should take this as a career, which it opens up another door to a new experience. Maybe it's something that I'm gonna do in the future, maybe it's not. But Makerspace really gave me a good opportunity by letting me come here and do 3D models of their machines.